Good evening, children. Today onwards we are going to start our regular maths classes. So today we are going to start with the first chapter, numbers and numeration. I am very sure that children in your lower classes you have studied numeration. What is numeration? Numeration is nothing but learning how to read and write numbers. And till your 4th standard, children, you must have learned how to read and write a number up to 5 or 6 digits. Yes, you must have heard the word Indian system of numeration, right? Consisting of ones, hundreds, thousands, etc. Yes, so this year also, children, we are going to continue with Indian system of numeration, but this time you are going to learn up to 8 digits. Okay, so children, before that, let me tell you, this year numeration, not only Indian system, we are going to learn one more system of numeration that is called as International System of Numeration. I told Indian system of numeration up to 5 or 6 digits you were familiar. This year also we will continue with Indian system but up to 8 digits. Similarly, International System of Numeration also we are going to learn. Since this is your first day, children, let us start with something which you already know, that is nothing but Indian system of numeration. So if you remember, children, you must have seen the place value chart, right? When you had studied last year up to places up to 5 digits or 6 digits, you must have studied the place value chart. Can you look here, children? I have shown here a place value chart. If you see here, children, there are 2 rows. Can you see the first row? The first row is crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. You can see a word next to it. It is called as periods. Yes, these places of ones, if you look from your right side, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, they are called as periods. Now before that, below that you can see, children, one more row. Can you see this? Right, they are called as place values. They are called as place values. For example, if I look from my right side, you know ones, you're familiar with tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. That means how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this year you are going some more beyond, that is you are going to learn lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Is that clear? So how many digits are there total? 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so whenever you have a place value chart, in it you have 2 parts. The first row is the part of periods and the second row is the part of crores. Yes, do you remember this? Yes. Now suppose, now children, you also know that in the Indian system, this is the Indian system of numeration. This is nothing but your Indian system of numeration. In the Indian system of numeration, children, you know that the commas will be put from behind 3 places and then 2 places. Yes or no? So that means ones, tens, hundreds. After that you will put a comma because this is Indian system. After that you remember that you have to put comma after 2 places. So after, now always remember comma will be put from your right side. So 3 places is over. Now 1 and 2. So you will have a comma here. Then you have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then comma here. Is that clear? So this year you are going to study up to 8 digits. That is nothing but till crores. Understood? Now suppose if I give you a number. Okay, I am going to give you a number here. Say number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And I asked you to write this number name, write the name of this number in Indian system. Then what you will do, children? First thing is I have to put the commas, right? So how will I put the commas? So I will rewrite the number here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay. Now first thing what you will do is you will write up the place. So you can use shortcut. Okay, so this will be ones, this will be tens, this will be hundreds. After hundreds, what do you have? Look at the table. You have thousands, you have 10,000. 10,000 you can write it as TTH, and then you have here lakhs. Now second thing is you have to put commas. Comma will come from behind first after 3 places from right side. So 1, 2, 3. So put a comma here. Then 1, 2. Yes, after that there is nothing to put comma. So how do I read this number? You can see there in lakhs place there is 2. In 10,000 and 1,000 place you have 3 and 4. In 100 tens and ones you have 5, 6 and 1. So children, when you are going to write the number name, you put commas from left, you put commas from right side, but you are going to write the name of the number from your left side. So what is the number in lakhs place? 2. So I will write here 2 lakh. Now what is the number? What will you read? 3, 4 in thousands place. How do you read here? Read 3, 4 as 34. Very good. So it is 2 lakh 34. Now it is in thousand place. So 2 lakh 34,000. Now how do you read these three number? 5, 6, 1. How do you read it as? 561. Is that clear? Yes. Now let me do one more example. Suppose my example is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me write one more. Okay, so first step, what will you do? You will write the number. If you want, children, you leave some place, because last time when I wrote, there was a congestion in writing. So you leave place and write like this. Okay. So first you write the periods. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then you have lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Second step is putting commas. So from right side you put commas, because it is Indian system. First 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Then 2 places, 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Now I told you, when you are going to write the name, you are going to start from left side. Now C stands for crores, right? So this 1 will be read as single digit. No, so it is 1 crore. Now what is this? 4, 5. In lakhs place, what it will be called? 45, 1 crore, 45 lakh. Now how do you read this number together? Yes, 67. Now in which place it is? Just look up. Which place will be given from the periods, right? So it is 67,000. Yes. Now look at the next one, 67,000. Then how do you read 9 to 8? It is 928. Did you understand, children? Yes? So always remember, children, numbers, okay, numbers which are appearing together, okay, in commas, they are read together. Just as I have written here, 9 to 8, right? They are all together separated by one single comma. So it will be read as 928. 6 and 7, you can see they are together, right? They form a group, right? So that will be called as 67. So always look at try to read the numbers, okay, which are together in commas, and look up and write the name of that period. Right, you already know this, children. Only one thing is extra is here is I have introduced here lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, so watch this video. Next time when we will meet, you look at the table and come in my next class. Then we will solve some more problems on Indian system of numeration. Thank you, children.